Hello guys, what's up? I am Rohil Khan and welcome back to Nerdy Tech Expert. Today we are going to do an unboxing of a very interesting product which is best for smartphone videographers. Yes, the Zhiyun Smooth 4. As you have noticed, when you make videos from your smartphone handheld, it becomes a lot shaky, not as smooth as you want. To remove that shakiness, you need that kind of a product, the Zhiyun Smooth 4. So let's get into the unboxing. So here's the box of Zhiyun Smooth 4. As you can see, the company's name and some main features on the front. Focus pull, zoom capability, phone go mode, born for mobile filmmakers. And here it says phone not included in package. I'm a little bit disappointed. So on the back side you can see they included accessories, the gimbal itself, tripod, charging cable and its case. And here more about features in details. Well, here it is, its product name, 3-axis smartphone stabilizer and model SMA04. So let's open it. Let's put this aside. Now here it is, manual. And here it is, the case. So let's open the case. That is very nice packing. It is also sturdy. Well, here is the product of the hour, the Zhiyun Smooth 4 Stabiliser for smartphone. Well, here it is. Here, this button, power on and off. Nice. These are the buttons. I think this wheel is for zoom in and zoom out, or maybe focus ring. Here is the dock. Okay. The great thing about it is that it has Type-C charging cable. Check it out. Nice, isn't it? As compared to other gimbals, they have only 2.0 micro USB charging cable. And at last, it's tripod. So the tripod, the gimbal itself, the charging cable and its manual. And last but not least, its casing. So this was the unboxing on Zhiyun Smooth 4 smartphone gimbal. If you found this video useful, like it, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon so whenever we upload a new video you are notified right away. Until then, see ya.